In this video, we will set reverse DNS for a VPS in Vutlr. This is the VPS for which we need to set the reverse DNS. Click on Settings. This is the server IP. I want to set the reverse DNS, this IP to a subdomain of the domain name, server.the domain name. The subdomain is already pointed to the server IP. If you look the NS lookup for this IP address, that give you the reverse DNS record. Currently it is set to Vutlr. To set the reverse DNS, you need to copy the subdomain. That will be your host name. Go to the Vutlr. Under the setting, you will see the reverse DNS. You have the option to edit it. Click on the text, put the new subdomain and click on the tick mark to update. Now the reverse DNS is updated. Now let us see if it is updated. It will take some time. Usually this will update within 30 minutes or so. So you have to wait. Once the DNS is propagated, when you do the NS lookup, you will see the host name. This record will be displayed. It may be due to the DNS cache, so let me log into another server, run the NS lookup again, NS lookup IP address, then when I see the new DNS, reverse DNS record, and that is how you set reverse DNS for an IP address in Vutlr. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you like the video, please subscribe for more videos.